spotted. The wolves are just concerned.
It's a different lights. It's more like another.
Huh?
No, it's one shall stand.
Do you have it, Robin?
Another
Only
one.
the
It's
elk.
not the
I
same.
don't have anything else.
Well, it went to the right.
To the right of the elk or to the
Yeah,
right of the tree?
They're all
right of the
looking to
elk.
the right. But that one blended in though, so.
Yeah, that wolf is so
Yeah,
hard
they're all
to see.
looking to the right, every one now.
Yeah.
And I can't see the wolf.
The black one
That's
has
off of the
disappeared.
rabbit
Black
brush.
one.
Is that what it
There's
is?
rabbit brush right there.
One of the male ones just started breathing again. Doesn't seem to be too concerned. Yeah. He's checking things out.
Yeah, anybody see the wolf?
Yeah, I got it.
How far to the right is it?
200 yards. There is,
Johnny, you're doing great. Did you videotape
there are
the
two
wolf
trees.
attack?
Yeah.
Okay,
No.
it's above the right one. There's two that are kind of out by themselves. The one on the left is more round.
Yes.
The one on the right is more
Is it
vertical.
black?
She's above
Got
and
it.
some scattered snow.
I've got the trees at least.
We have wolf inside?
Okay, you're almost on it. It's to the right of the black one's better.
Oh yeah.
Is there more than one wolf up there?
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see, but I don't know. Can you see it?
I think I
see
got
the gray
it.
one right above her right now.
The gray
Yeah,
one's
I
right
think
above
I got
her.
Moving
it.
to the left.
Yeah, I think I see her.
It's howling. Listen, you might be able to hear her howl. I'll just hear a tiny bit of it. Way off. It's creeping up on 2 miles.
Up on the top, right? Do you see it?
No, she's getting up again. I see the elk, but I don't see her.
I can't hold them still enough by hand.
I know, I read.
Ah. Maybe she's really good. She's right behind the tree. Walking. Can't see her. Yeah, that's elk. Wait, the wolf right there.
Oh, there she goes. She's moving.
Did you find it? Ooh, I heard something. Good. Well, I can't see her.
She moved, I think, behind that gray rock.
Oh, wait for her to come back up. Ooh.
Do you guys still see her?
No.
Okay.